Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So let's start the session. A photograph by Shirley Tolson. A photograph. The line 1 to 4. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two little girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. Paddling का मतलब walking होता है. In these lines, the poet is looking at an old photo album which is made up of cardboard. In the picture, there are three girls who are walking on the beach holding each other's hands. The girl in the middle is the tallest and oldest. The other two girls on each side are younger than her. The girl in the middle is the poet's mother. She is around 12 years old when the picture was taken. Line 5 to 9. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's. That was before I was born. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. In the above lines, the poet describes how the photograph was taken. फोटो कैसे लिया गया था? Her mother's uncle took the photograph and told them to stop and pose. All three of them left their wet hair open and smiled at the camera. The poet's attention is drawn towards his mother's face, which is described as a sweet face. The photograph was taken long before the poet was born. मतलब फोटो पोएट के जन्म के बहुत पहले लिया गया था. द पोएट कॉल्स देयर फीट टेरेबल ट्रांजिएंट एज दे वेर सो यंग by then and now they had grown older. On the other hand, the sea which touched their feet has changed less. Line 10 to 13. Some 20-30 years later, she'd laughed at the snapshot. See, Betty and Dolly, she'll say, and look how they dressed us for the beach, the sea holiday. After 20-30 years later, she'd laughed at the photographs. मतलब वो कहना चाह रही है कि जब वो छोटे समय वो देखेगी फ़ोटो वो बहुत हंसेगी. She would tell me to look at her cousins, Betty and Dolly, and how their parents would dress all three of them for the beach. They would have planned to take a photograph beforehand. Line 14 to 15. Was her past. Mine is her laughter. Both worry with the labored ease of loss. Worry, ironic, or mocking. The poet recalls the sea holiday was her mother's favorite moment from the past, while the poet's favorite moment from the past was her mother's laughter. Both the women would think about those past memories which they can't live again. They tried their best to adjust to what they lost. Now, she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. In the above lines, the poet says that her mother died 12 years ago, the same age her mother was in the photograph. Whenever the poet thinks of her mother's death, she can't explain what effect she has of her mother's death. Death has silenced her mother, which has also left her speechless. So, the conclusion of the poem is there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. In this sentence, the poet finally reveals that the subject of the photograph she is holding, her mother, has been dead for about 12 years, the same age she was when the photograph had been taken. So now I am explaining you the Q&A. Firstly, these are the questions. Think it out. What does the word cardboard denotes in the poem? Why has this word been used? The word cardboard denotes the photograph of a mother which was pasted on a hard thick paper, which means a cardboard. The photograph shows the poet's mother pictures when she was a 12-year-old girl with two of her cousins named Betty and Dolly. Now, the second question: what has the camera captured? The camera has captured the childhood memory of the three sisters, one poet's mother's, and the other two is poet's mother's cousins, Betty and Dolly, when they had been for a seaside holiday trip. The two girls, Betty and Dolly, who are holding her hands and are younger than her, and her uncle took the photo then. What has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? The sea has not changed over the years because the times change, but the sea does not. Human beings come and go, but nature always remains the same. The poet's mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? The poet's mother laughed at the photographs because these were her best and happy memories of the moments that had passed long years ago. She missed her old childhood memories. She wanted it back. What is the meaning of the line? Both worry with the labor days of loss. The poet and her mother suffered a sense of loss because, firstly, the poet's mother has lost her childish behavior and all the things that appears when we are a child. That means the poet mother is indicating her childhood memories. Secondly, the poet feels the smile of her mother has become a thing of the past life. Therefore, both labor to bear this loss with ease. What does this circumstance refer to? It refers to the poet's sense of loss that she feels about her mother when she was dead. She also felt bad about her mother's childhood photographs because the person is no more now.